P5 stands for the Pancasila Student Profile Strengthening Project. The purpose of P5 is to strengthen the achievement of the Pancasila Student Profile, which is developed based on the 17 set by the government. The P5 that we did at SMAN to Probolinggo collaborate with SWAG activities. SWAG stands for Smada Wayai Agustusan, an annual event to commemorate Indonesian Independence Day, which is filled with various competitions that are expected to foster a sense of love for the homeland through creativity, sportsmanship, cooperation, and the spirit nationalism. The opening of the SWAG activity was started by singing the national anthem Indonesia Raya, chanting prayers, the principal remarks, and ended with the release of the balloons as a symbol of officially opened SWAG 2022 activity.
This year's SWAG activity was driven by many competitions ranging from throwing water balloons to off-war, and one of them is relay. In this estafette sport, the arm muscles that play a role, including the leg muscles and head muscles. In addition to the ability of these muscles, we also need the ability to work together and them strategy. In this relay race, there are 3 games in it, namely marble channeling, pool racing, and water channeling in a basin.
Marbles Channel. At the beginning of the relay race, the game begins with a line of marbles. Marbles Channel is a game of carrying marbles with a spoon that is beaten with the mouth. The game is divided into 3 players who work together to bring the marbles to the next game. This game has benefit for training focus and concentration, maintain balance, simulate hand and foot coordination, and instill high fighting power.
2. Clock Racing Mel. After the Marbles Channel game, the competition continued with a clock racing game played by the men. Clock racing is a traditional game that trains children's cohesiveness, such as the ability to work quickly together, coordinate body movement, coordinate between stepping and swinging movement with the child's body, train children's balance and agility.
3. Trains in the basin. After the clock smell racing game, the competition continued with the water channel game in the basin. The way to do this game is that each child sits in a row and distributes water to each other through the basin from the front person to the back person, who is in charge of running carrying water that has been distributed to be collected into the bucket until it is full.
Clock racing. After the water channel game in the basin, the competition continued with a clock racing game played by a woman. This game of clocks must step and with the same speed. The front player gives the command so that the players in on team can walk with the same step. The winner is the team that reaches the finish line the fastest.
This relay competition is a series of games that are always mandatory in August. In addition to being healthy for the body, this competition can train cohesiveness, sportsmanship, and love for the homeland. May Indonesia's 77th Independence Day this year, Indonesia can recover faster and rise stronger. Indonesia Merdeka!
Panggilan untuk pemain kelereng, salur kelereng kelas 10B harus segera ke lapangan.